class?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay, let me remind you that our rules and regulations inside the class. So first is be positive. So we call this the 4 P's rules inside the class. Be positive, be productive, be polite, and be prepared. So be positive. Being positive that during the discussion, during the activity, I know you can do it. Give your best and be productive. So if your teacher asks you to do something, make it. Then be polite and be prepared. So be prepared from the first until the end of the class. So when your teacher is talking, you need to zip your mouth. And if somebody is talking or sharing, you what? You listen and respect. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
So by the way, I have presented chart for those students who perform well. I will give 8 points. So since you have already your group, there will be group 1, group 2, group 3. So every group will be given a points if the group perform well. Okay, so I have here the objective of today's lesson. Use adverb of place and adverb of time in a sentence. By the way, class, but before that, okay, let's have first a short drill. So, what can you say on this group of picture here? On the first picture, there is what?
Garden.
Here is?
Garden.
Okay, flower garden. Here is a?
Garden.
How about here?
School.
Okay, now who can come here? Yes, who can come here? So, write the missing letters here so that you can form a word that best describes to this picture. Yes, come in. Okay, let's give 1 clap to Camille. Okay. Camille, respond group. 1. Now, how about this second picture? Very nice, okay? Now, second picture, there is a clock, and there is a group of ladies in the daytime, and there is a moon. It means night, and there is a okay, sun. Okay, sun, right. So, what do you think the missing letters here for you to form a word that best describe here? Okay, yes. There is. Okay, very good. Let's give 1 clap to Camille. Okay, there is from group to move. Okay, so that's why our lesson for today is about adverb of place and adverb of time. So we are going to use this adverb of time and place in a sentence. Okay, so there are rules in the adverb of time and adverb of place, but I will discuss first what do you mean by adverb of place. Okay, we say adverb of place tell us where an action or situation happens. So it also expresses movement. It's answering questions work. And the adverb of time tells us when an action happens, but also for how long and how often. So there are some examples. Just like here is a picture. The examples are morning, adverb of time, today, tonight, tomorrow, yesterday. And adverb of place are outside, behind, indoors, over, below, under, beneath, into, under, beside, near, up. Okay, between. So those are the examples of adverb of place. So we are going to use this in a sentence. By the way, there are rules in making a sentence based on the adverb of place. So group 2, read the rules of adverb of place.
Adverb of place are usually placed after adverbs.
Okay, so adverb of place are usually placed after the verb. Just like for example here, after the verb. So read first.
I will talk to you tomorrow.
Okay, so the adverb of this is an adverb of what? Place or time. How about this one?
The activity decided to have lunch at the beach.
Okay, at the beach. This is an adverb of
Place.
So it's stated there that the adverb of place is after the verb. So verb is decided. So after the verb, decided to have lunch at the beach. And at the beach is adverb of place. Okay, rules in adverb of time. Adverb of time, again, rules, read group 1. Adverb of time.
Adverb of time afterwards is when place of the end of the
Okay,
sentence.
very good. So adverb of time often work best when placed at the end of the sentence. So at the end of the sentence. So this is the example. I will talk to him tomorrow. So it is what comes in the end of the sentence. Okay, did you get class?
Yes.
Write this one. Write this one. Okay, you can come here. So try to arrange these words, scrambled words to form a sentence. Okay, you can answer from the verb. Yes, Teresa. can help Denise. Yes, Camille. Good. So at my office is what? Okay, it is adverb of
Place.
good. Adverb of place. Now, next number. Yes. Upstairs. So what is the adverb there?
Upstairs.
Okay, upstairs. And at this upstairs is what?
Place.
Okay, adverb of
Place.
adverb of place. Very good. What are the things that you need to remember? If you're within your group, you need to okay, participate, share ideas with the group. Did you get?
Yes.
So I will, since you're already your group, this will be group 1, group 1, group 2, group 3. Okay. So every group are given an activity. So it is a group activity. But before that, there are metrics or criteria for you to follow. So these are the rubrics and participations in a group activity. So 5 points, show eagerness and cooperations to the task, participate actively to do great help to that group. And 4 points, if shows eagerness and cooperations to the task, good colors on it. And 3 points, participated but late with teacher's supervision. And 2 is activity was done but does not show eagerness. And 1 point, no interest in participating in the activity. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, we
Okay.
are
So for group 1, you are going to answer each question in a complete sentence using adverb of place and adverb of time. So this will be for group 1. And for group 2, you are going to have to choose the correct answer instead of parentheses. Write the answers on what? On the blank. Okay, for group 2. Okay, for group 3, you are going to write a sentence based on the pictures. You are given a pictures for each group. Okay, for group 3. Then, you are going to present that one by group. First, you need to give a short EL. Then, after giving a short EL, the leader will stand in front and present or discuss the output. Did you get?
Yes.
Again?
Yes.
Okay. Group 1, stay here. Group 2. Okay, now let's hear a short year from the group and the presentation. So, yes, go, group 1.
1, 2, 3, go. Arriba, 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 group 1. Mapersa, 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 group 1. Go, group 1.
Louder.
Group 1. Answer each question in a complete sentence using your own place and time. Where is your meeting for the tomorrow at the afternoon? 3. In what place are you going for vacation? In a beach.
Okay, very good. Let's hear 2,000 claps. Go. Okay, very good. Now let's hear from group 2. Give the floor for group 2.
Vida, vida, boga, boga, vida, vida, boga, boga, group 2 kami.
Louder.
Choose the correct answer inside the parentheses. Write the correct answer in the parentheses. She put the on the table. Pets, doors, waiters, even at make a table with folks. The meat, Jason is energy, the tennis courts. The Ina was
Okay, let's give a Yahoo clap for group 2. You know how to do it? Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Yahoo, go.
1, 2, 3, Yahoo!
Okay, let's hear from group 3. Give the floor to group 3.
Go, group 3. Go, go, group 3. Go, group 3. Use the following answer to plan numbers of place in the sentence. Today, early, under the table, under the table. Today is our first time. He changed early in the morning. She hid under the table. They sit under the table.
Okay, now let's give a barangay clap to group 3. You know what is barangay clap? Okay, okay, very good. You did your best. So now you are going to answer some questions quickly. activity sheet. Okay, now get your ball pen. Okay, get your ball pen. Okay, ball pen. Okay. Get one then pass. Get one then pass. Get one then pass. Answer that one. So answer that one.